Okay, so this is the 2006 Yamaha VX Deluxe. And what I am doing is replacing the cold air intake, which was right here with the air filter. It was a big box. And the exhaust back here, which was another big old box or baffle, just taking up a lot of room. I reached about 50 to 51 on Calm Lake, just glass water, no waves. So I'm gonna put this on. Well, I bought this, it has about 54 hours on it. And when I replaced the oil. And when I went to replace the air filter, I noticed that there was a little bit of oil in the air filter, and it took me a long time to get it out. So I've decided to replace that filter with this UNI filter, which goes right here. And it's going to give it a low profile. And then the breather tube, I'm going to replace it with this filter, this K&N filter. And this will go in here. And then the exhaust, I have the 90-degree elbow. It's the UPGR8. It's a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch. So the 3-inch, it's gonna go right here. It's a 90-degree. And then this pipe, it's a aluminum alloy steel pipe, or I think that's the right description. It's chrome plated, beaded ends, and it's gonna go in here just like that. So I'll continue this video. Let me put this on and then I'll show you what it looks like after. All right, so I finished installing the UNI air filter. And this is a 3-inch. This K&N filter, I had to shave with a razor blade the rubber silicone part coming out from this so I can fit into this tube here. They were the same size, but the rubber tube on this was had a very thick edge, so that made it where it couldn't fit inside, but I just shaved a little bit off. So I'll have to find a link with the correct size. Well, for my tube. Everyone else is probably different. And this is basically what I did at the exhaust. So I just replaced this elbow. This is a 5mm. It's a 3-inch in the bottom, and it reduces to a 3-inch. 3-inch in the bottom reduces to a 2.5-inch on top. Elbow with a steel pipe. This is the advertised at 12-inch, but it's about 11 and 3/4. So it probably starts right here and then ends about right there. So I just put this pipe in the middle. It's a aluminum pipe, pretty solid, chrome polished, and the exhaust. The other exhaust exit or pipe, silicone pipe, remains on here. So I just took the baffle out here, and then I took the baffle out, the air baffle out here, and replaced that. So we'll see how it does, and I'll keep y'all updated. See how much horsepower I can increase, or how many more miles per hour I can obtain with this, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.